Hello everybody, welcome to this demo video for my task tracker software application. This is a terminal-based application. Basically lets you keep track of tasks that may or may not have a deadline, but you can keep them all in one place and add a type tag to them, so you can keep all your work tasks together and all your personal tasks together. But anyways, I'm just going to go over a little bit of a demonstration here, how to use it. First of all, I was using Python with Google Firestore, the Firestore cloud database with Google. So that was interesting for me to learn, as well as the NoSQL database structure that I had never worked with before. So that was really cool for me to learn how to do that. So I use the collection and document NoSQL structure there. And yeah, let's just get straight into the demonstration here. So I'll pull up this terminal. It's a terminal application. So running the Python file will open up this interface here. And it takes a second to connect to the cloud database, but if we see what's already in the database here, we have a couple of uncompleted tasks indicated by this table, as well as some tasks that we have already completed in this table. So a couple more options here. We can add a task. Let's think of something right now. Let's say, what's a good personal task? How about do a demonstration video? Great. No deadline for this, so I'll just put none. And we get our list of menu options again. We can see all of the tasks that you can see that it's updated with this personal task. It doesn't have a deadline, but it also gave it this ID. Okay, so now let's see how to complete a task. You can click option number 3. Takes a little bit to query the database here, but you can see it pulls up all of the uncompleted tasks that are available to complete. So let's say we wanted to complete the demonstration video task. So we hit ID number 2, enter it in there. And now once we list all our tasks again, you can see the demonstration video moved from the uncompleted table down here to the completed table. And to remove a completed task, we just basically do the same thing. That one was pretty quick to query that table, but we just hit the ID. Let's say we actually wanted to remove the buy groceries task. We don't need that anymore in our list of tasks here, so that is removed successfully. So I'll just go over a little bit of the code now. This was not my first time working with an API key, so that wasn't too difficult for me. Just using the Firebase console website to generate one of these keys, not including it in this video for obvious reasons, but then we can use those credentials to initialize the database connection, the client connection here. And here we just have some globals for the structure of the database. Those can stay the same. Displaying the menu. Updating the IDs was something that was interesting for me to work on as well. Just making sure that each task in each database had a sequential ID, so it didn't jump around, but it was also unique. Listing all of the tasks, putting it in the table format, and we're ordering them by the ID here. Adding a task and deleting a task, just removing the document from the collection and taking that document as a dictionary, passing it to the add task. And that's basically it. A pretty simple program, but it's really good for me to stretch my knowledge of cloud databases. Had never previously worked with them, and to gain a little bit of experience with NoSQL.